This is the way you empty an MD vacuum cleaner, American-made machine that empties from the top instead of a lot of older models empty from the bottom. Much easier and much cleaner. Just lift the lid off, lay the lid aside. Have a utility valve in the front and the house on the side. Just take the utility valve loose, disconnect the one to the house, take the old bag out, put a new bag in, hook it to the utility valve, put your house on that side, and that's it. Just lay the lid back on. There's no latches, no gaskets to line up, and you're done.